Hi guys, thank you for stopping by for another video. Today I decided to do a summer look and I hope you enjoy it. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Today I am going to do a smoldering summer look. I have not done a makeup tutorial in a minute and I just wanted to go back kind of to what I started off this channel doing. So this makeup look hopefully will be simple enough but very summer appropriate. So in this makeup tutorial I will be featuring like some new products that I've gotten recently, but I'll also use some oldie but goodies. So the very first product will be the Makeup Forever Step 1. This is a base mattifying primer right here, and I really like this one because it is perfect for my oily skin. Recently I featured the Wake Up Like This Il Maquillage foundation and I have been loving it, so this is basically newish. So I'm just gonna use a sponge, a wedge, to apply the foundation all over my face. Alright, this product is also new to my collection. I have been using it lately. This is the True Complexion HD Corrector and this is by Black Radiance. So how have you guys been doing? Like, did you miss my makeup tutorials or no? Because I missed them. I missed them so much and I just couldn't wait to do it again. So I go in with the matte setting powder for the under eye and this is in the shade Deep. So I can just set it and forget it. Not too much because I don't want my under eye to be dry. I'm keeping the setting powder right in the area I applied the concealer because I don't want to go in with a blush, but a cream blush. So for the blush, I'm gonna go in with this palette right here. I'm gonna use the more coral shade and I'm gonna apply that with this small stipple brush by e.l.f. The trick to maintaining the longevity of the cream blush is to set it with a powder blush. I will use this Sephora Spice Market blush and set it. I love it. I recently got the Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty. The Cocoa Naughty is a little too light as a bronzer, but I still use it. I think the Mocha Mommy might be the better option. It still gives me some definition. It does go in on the skin beautifully though, and I really like it. Beautiful. I will go in with my eyeshadow primer and this is by Urban Decay. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. contour palette and I'm gonna go in with the darker shade as my transition color. Yep. You can use contour powder as your transition color, as an eyeshadow. Like, there really are no rules. This is just adding warmth before I go in with my main color. This will just allow the other color I'm going in with to apply better. I've used this palette quite a few times on my channel. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. This is the volume 2. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Flawed and Odd. This right here is a beautiful bronzy type of orange color. This is what I'm going with. Ooh, I like that. And I am here for it. So I'm gonna go in with let's see, Feeling Myself maybe. It's an orange color, and kind of like apply it here. I mean, it's summer, we just want color. We want some warmth, we want some orange, we want some gold. We want it all. I'll go back in the contour palette and take this dark shade to kind of smooth everything together. Because you never want any type of harsh lines, you know? And you can always like reapply as needed. All right, so this is what we have. So I have the LA Girl Brow Pomade, looks like this, and I have it in the shade dark brown. I do like this a lot. So for the brows, I use a spoolie to kind of brush the hairs together. Basically, I use this small angle brush by e.l.f. right here. And then I just go in and I line up the brows. So I'm using the same concealer that I used earlier. This is the HD Corrector by Black Radiance. And I'm just gonna shape the brows. So there we have it. And yeah, I do have the dark brown brow setting gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I just go in, brush it upwards so you get that feathery effect like that. Sometimes I do great, sometimes not so much. What do we think? So I'm not gonna wing out the eye look today, but I will put some liner both up and down. This is a new product for me. This is the Jordana retractable pencil in Lavish Brown. Ooh, I like this. So just to ensure that we smoke everything out in the lower lash line, I am using the brush and going in with a dark color, dark brown. And for the lashes, we're gonna use our mink lashes that I love using. I'm also using the lash adhesive by Igloo. This is from Kiss, I believe. You apply your glue, you let it sit for like 30 seconds to a minute. I think the longer it sits before you apply it, the faster it applies. I try to place it up as close to the lash line. I always use the Seal Booster by Lancome. This is my lash primer for my lower lashes especially, and it's my favorite lash primer ever. It works like a dream, and I just add it. You add a lot basically so you can get more volume, and I'm using the Better Than Sex or Better Than Love mascara from Too Faced. You go while it's still wet. almost. Alright, for the lips, I'm gonna use the Jordana lip liner in the shade Coco Loco. I'm all about Jordana today, y'all. I'm using the teddy bear. I did a little demo on the Milani lipsticks. This is in the shade Teddy Bear and it's the perfect nude, in my opinion. I mean, look at that. Yes. And for the final part of it, I'm gonna use the Black Radiance Gilded Glow highlighter. And this will be my highlight. I'm using the Sigma tapered highlighter brush and I'm going in. That's cute. I feel I could use a lot of this and it would be perfect still. For the summer, you want a lot of glow, so why not? Alright guys, this is it for the video. So let me know what you think about the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed having me back for another makeup tutorial. Let me know what you think below and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.